Hello all. In this video we are going to build a mini project using HTML from scratch. This is going to be the practical session. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon with all option so that you will get notification of our upcoming videos. So what we are going to build? We are going to build a website for you. So you are going to build your website. So it will have 4 pages: index.html, about me page, my interest page and contact me page. And we are going to use only HTML and VS Code as a IDE, integrated software development environment, for coding, and live server extension in VS Code for this server purpose. So quickly we'll see what we are going to build. Okay, so this is the website I'm talking about. It has, at the top there is a navigation menu where it will have about me, my interest, contact me. So the page you are looking at is a home page. This is what the home page is all about. So it will have title, one picture in the left side and some description about your website. So this is going to be the same structure for all the pages: about us, my interest and contact me. So totally 3 plus 1, the page you are looking at, 4 pages we are going to develop. So this is what we are going to build. We are going to build totally 5 files: index.html, about.html, interest.html, contact.html, and one more CSS file which is having only 3 classes, which will be used to render the navigation menu in the top side of the website. So don't worry about this CSS files. We'll look into the detail in the later. That is going to be very simple. So we'll start building index.html. So I'm going to create, this is our project folder, HTML project 1, and I'm going to create a index.html file here. Now fill in some data. So we're going to create the header, and then nav is for navigation. So this is to bring the top level navigation menu item. We are going to use ordered list for menu items. So I have put the headlines, title, and then one more table I have introduced, which is having only one row. The left hand side home image, right hand side will have some text. We'll see how it looks. Since this is working, but one thing to note is the navigation is not coming correctly, as well as the image is not displayed. So let's check what is the problem. Yeah, we have used images home.jpg, but there is no folder called images. Let's create. I've already downloaded the images, so I'm going to place it here. So the image has come. We need this navigation item in the horizontal line. So for that only we need this CSS file which I mentioned. style.css. Let's create a CSS file in the top level folder, style.css. Let's put some CSS classes for ordered list. Ordered list is the one which we are using for the menu item. So I'm going to apply some style for ordered list. Let's check how it is coming. Why it is not applied? Because we have to use it here in the index. We have to mention using link. Oh, we have created style.css inside images. So let's bring outside. Yeah, now it is applied. So this is the menu item we want to display. So we applied simple CSS file. Let's not worry about the CSS file. Go ahead and create another file. So now we have seen menu item. So let's build one by one. We have built the first home page. This is done. Let's copy index.html, put it here. Just change the title. About me will not have about me anymore. It will have home page link. Let's change the title as well as the image, about me.jpg and some lorem ipsum text. Let's see how it is working. Yeah, it is working. So my interest will not have my interest link. Instead, it will have about and contact us. It's yeah. About me is working. My interest is working. Now we are going to build contact. contact image. Then so here I have used another table to display the contacts. Now let's check how it is working. So we have three menus. About us is working. It has some the text and title. My interest. That's yeah, it's working. Contact me, and from everywhere I can come to home page also. So we have finally built the project. We have completed the project, HTML mini project, my website project. You are free to use any text or paragraph about yourself. Try to build a professional website for you with these menus, and please share the experience in the comments. I think we have completed the project. So please practice. If you have any queries or clarification, if you are stuck, please ask in the comments. If this video is helpful to you, please like the video, please leave comment, please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon with the all option so that you will get notification of our videos in future.